The 2013 Mini Paceman John Cooper Works. The new John Cooper Works version of the new Mini Paceman will make its world debut in January 2013 at the Detroit Auto Show, but, as expected, Mini couldn't keep it a secret until then. The first official details have been released today, while full details will arrive in just 2 weeks. The JCW version will feature a more aggressive design language, with black exterior paint combined with red stripes, roof and exterior mirrors. Mini will also add in an updated aerodynamic kit and a set of larger alloy wheels. The interior will also be a little bit sportier than on the standard Paceman and will combine the same black and red colors seen on the exterior. Under the hood, Mini has placed the same powerplant from the Countryman JCW, so no big news here. Updated December 13, 2012, this review has been updated with the official details, images and specs. Hit the jump to read more about the new Mini Paceman John Cooper Works. Update January 16, 13, Mini has officially released the base price of the Paceman John Cooper Works. Find out how much it's going to cost you after the jump. Exterior. When compared to the standard Paceman, the John Cooper Works version adds an even more muscular aerodynamic kit that transformed the Paceman JCW into a more aggressive-looking model. Up front, Mini added new front and rear aprons, bespoke side skirts. On the back side, you'll see a more muscular look. The model is further distinguished by John Cooper Works logos placed on the radiator grille, tailgate and door sill strips. Exterior colors will include a choice of 9 paint finishes, including the chili red shade reserved for the John Cooper Works model. The same color can be ordered as a contrasting color for the roof, exterior mirror caps and sport stripes. The model comes with a standard set of 18-inch light alloy wheels in a twin-spoke black burnished design with polished spoke fronts and black rim. You can also opt for a set of 19-inch light alloy wheels in cross-spoke crusher design. Interior. The interior comes in the same JCW look and will be distinguished by a sports steering wheel with red contrast stitching and JCW logo, dark-colored dials for the 160 mph speedometer and rev counter. The headliner is an anthracite color, while the gearshift lever and the floor mats all receive red contrast stitching. The Paceman JCW comes standard with cloth sports seats in diagonal track John Cooper Works carbon black trim with red contrast stitching. Customers wishing for a sportier feeling have optional leather sports seats in carbon black championship red. The cockpit, doors and the center console are offered in black with contrasting red elements. At the rear, the passengers will enjoy a pair of individual seats. Engine. Under the hood, the new Paceman JCW has the same engine as the Countryman JCW, which is a 1,598 cc, 1.6-liter 4-cylinder engine that delivers a total of 218 horsepower at 6,000 revolutions per minute and a peak torque of 207 pound-feet between 1,900 and 5,000 revolutions per minute. An overboost function allows the peak torque to jump up to 221 pound-feet between 2,100 and 4,500 revolutions per minute. The engine mates to a standard 6-speed manual transmission, but a 6-speed automatic gearbox is offered as an option. The auto gearbox features a steptronic function that allows the driver to change the gear manually using the selector lever on the center console or the shift paddles on the steering wheel. The engine sends its power to all the 4 wheels via Mini's ALL4 all-wheel drive system that is specially developed to distribute drive seamlessly between the front and rear axles. The engine is also combined with consumption-reducing technologies, like brake energy regeneration, the gear shift indicator and the auto start-stop function on manual cars. The new Paceman JCW will sprint from 0 to 100 km per hour, 62 miles per hour, in just 6.9 seconds. Its top speed is 140 miles per hour for the manual transmission version and 139 miles per hour for the automatic one. On top of these relatively good performance specifications, the Mini Paceman JCW also save you gas money, getting 38.2 mpg. Driveline specifications. Prices. The new Mini Paceman John Cooper Works has been priced at a base sticker of $36,200, including $700 in delivery and handling fees. Sales will begin in the spring of 2013. Competition. The new Mini Paceman JCW can consider itself a model with almost no competitors. The market does not offering up any compact coupe-style SUVs at this point, but things will change significantly in the upcoming years. First to deliver such a model will be Audi with its Q1, which is a small SUV that's based on the Audi A1 platform with a wide range of engines, going from a 160 horsepower, 1.4 TSI to a 2.0 TDI with 140 horsepower. This is a little less than the new Paceman JCW, but we're sure Audi will also offer more powerful versions, like the S and RS version, and those will get closer to the new JCW model. Love it. We just love that black-red color combination, more powerful engine, highly equipped. Leave it no prices just yet.
If you liked this video, please share your thoughts in the comments below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button.